Have you ever felt like you're missing out on some incredible, hidden gem in the Bible? It's a massive book, so it's easy to do. Well, today we're shining a light on a powerful figure that many people overlook. Someone who could change how you view the roles of women in ancient times. We're talking about Job's daughter, Karen-Happuch. Most people know the story of Job, his incredible suffering, his unwavering faith, and his ultimate restoration. But what about his children, specifically the daughters he had after his trials? They often get treated like a footnote, but their story, especially Karen-Happuch's, is packed with significance. Why does her story matter? And what can we learn from it today? Let's dive in. Karen-Happuch is so much more than just a name in a list. She represents the often overlooked but vital roles that women played in the biblical world. Her story gives us a glimpse into their lives, showing us they weren't just passive figures in the background. To really get it, we have to look at the cultural and historical context she lived in. By understanding her life and family, we can better appreciate how much society has evolved, especially when it comes to women's rights and roles. Her story also speaks volumes about family and legacy. As Job's daughter, she was born into a family that had been through unimaginable tragedy, but her very existence, and that of her sisters, is a symbol of hope. It's a powerful reminder that even after the most profound suffering, life continues. There is always a future to build, a new generation to look forward to, and a legacy to create. She represents the beautiful after Job's story of pain. So, let's get into the fascinating details. Her name, Karen-Happuch, is incredibly unique. In Hebrew, it means horn of eye paint or horn of cosmetics. Think about that for a second. Names back then were not random. They carried deep meaning and often foretold a person's character or destiny. A name linked to beauty and adornment suggests she was not only known for her appearance. The Bible does say she and her sisters were the most beautiful women in the land, but it also points to the cultural practices of the time. Cosmetics weren't just about vanity. They could be part of daily rituals, social status, and personal expression. This name gives us a peek into the intimate, daily life of a family from a bygone era. It highlights just how important it is to understand the historical context when we read the Bible. These small details, like the meaning behind a name, unlock a deeper understanding of the people and their world. And let's not forget her family background. Her father, Job, was described as blameless and upright. Karen-Happuch was raised in a household renowned for its righteousness and faith, making her part of a powerful story of spiritual endurance and restoration. Now, here's the part of the story that is truly revolutionary, the key moment that changes everything. The Bible tells us that Job gave his daughters an inheritance right along with their brothers. This might not sound like a big deal to us today, but back then, it was seismic. In that patriarchal society, property and wealth were almost exclusively passed down to sons. Women were typically dependent on their fathers, husbands, or brothers for financial security. By giving Karen-Happuch and her sisters their own inheritance, Job did something radical. He wasn't just ensuring their financial stability. He was giving them independence and status. He was publicly declaring their value. This act is a powerful statement, showing a shift in thinking, a recognition of daughters as deserving and capable in their own right. This moment in the story is a testament to Job's character and his love for his daughters. It's a powerful example of how personal conviction can challenge and change societal norms, paving the way for future generations to claim their own place in the world. So, when you put it all together, Karen-Happuch's story is a profound reflection of broader themes in the Bible: gender, heritage, and restoration. She isn't just Job's daughter. She is a woman with a meaningful name, a secure future, and a place in a legacy of faith. Her story reminds us that every person in the biblical narrative, no matter how briefly mentioned, has a story worth exploring. She challenges us to look beyond the main characters and find the hidden figures who can teach us so much. If you found Karen-Happuch's story as fascinating as I do, be sure to check out our other videos where we uncover more hidden stories from the Bible. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.